Hello, everyone. I've had some complications, but I will get to you in a few seconds here. There we go. Okay, on Monday. Now you can see me, you can hear me, so I think this is going to be a workable. All right. Self-care today. Self-care. So don't get me lost. Share self-care for all wheelchair users. Whether you have a power wheelchair, whether you have a manual wheelchair, so either one. All right. Today I want to talk about, if I don't lose myself, something that really matters for all of you and for myself because I've been stuck. Okay, here we go. And I'm not talking about anything complicated, so hopefully you hear me. Just real, everyday things that help you get through your day. So I'm already stuck because I got problems at the at my manual. No, I won't go into those problems. But let's continue. And self-care looks different for everyone, especially myself. So yeah, I had some some mad room at the shower area, and the sink and all that stuff was not working. So I was like, okay, never mind. What's worse for one person might not work for someone else. So of course it's not going to work for me, but it might work for you. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it'll work for me. And a nurse will have to check and see if it works, but yeah. So, and that's okay. You have to figure what works. If it works best for you. Sometimes I look at things, okay, this will work, that will work. And your routine, you got to look at your routine. So this morning, I should have finished this morning to finish all this stuff, and it didn't. So I just have to wait. It just has to wait. Physical sides, so part of self-care is taking care of your body. Your body, your feet, your hands, your head, whatever you think is going to work. Just making sure you're comfortable, position it well, and not putting extra strain on yourself. And that's really important and that's what I'm trying not to do for myself today, not to stress myself. So, yeah, I had so much stuff today. So, little things can make a big difference over time. Over time. Oh my God. Mine just said no anywhere in the bathroom. It's like, no. I need something here. That didn't work. I was supposed to do this over there. It didn't work. Okay. It's like, never mind. So then nurse will have to check and see if I tried to do these little different fixes. All right, mental side. So think of that piece. Another big part is your mindset. So you don't drive yourself to mm, to crazy. So I don't want to be crazy this morning. So some days are going to be frustrating, and that happened this morning. Some days are going to feel harder than others, like myself. So I'm trying to keep myself quiet, and that's normal. I'm trying to shut up and to keep on working. So give yourself some patience on those days. So that's my day. That's my day. So the sink is not working, and the shower, I was supposed to set something in the sink so I could change the bag that I use in the evenings, and that's supposed to clean and then send it over to the shower, and this is not working. So there you go. Energy. I've lost everything. And honestly, your energy, my energy matters a lot. So I'm completely lost my energy. So there you go. Hopefully it's not supposed to do that, but other days it just happens. You don't have to do everything in one day. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now. That I'm trying to do this presentation and trying to say, for you to have some energy of the little energy that I've lost. It's okay to slow down, and that's what I'm doing. Take breaks and do things at your own pace. So that's what I'm doing. I have the things in the bathroom that's supposed to be fixed, and they're not. So I'm just gonna take a break. Take a break. And I'm just gonna wait and see if the nurse is gonna be there or not. So we'll see. No comparison. No comparison. Try not to compare yourself to other people. So I know nobody is going to do what I'm trying to do. Nobody. So I'll see how it goes. I'm just going to wait. Your situation is different. My thing is very different. Nobody else has this problem. Just me right now. Your routine is different. So what your routine, is a good one, great. If it doesn't quite work for you, adjust it. Adjust it. Don't make other people force you to do a routine XYZ. Make something that'll work. Focus on what works for you. So I'm hoping this works as you're thinking of getting better every day. So at the end of day, probably mine, who knows what's going to happen? Self-care is just about making your life a good one, a little easier and a little better each day. Each day. Anything you can change now, the next day, the next week, you can change something that is better for you. So think about it. If this helps to you and you can see, my channel and things that I talk about that'll just help you, that you can give me a like and subscribe. My name is Lisa, and this is World Wheelchair Warriors. That you can be with us as we're looking at ideas here and there, and share it with someone else, who might need it, and it will help them too. So hold on us, and on Mondays we're here, and on Wednesdays we're here. So my Wednesday will be coming this Wednesday. So just hang on and take care, and I'll hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye.